Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Welcome the renowned freelancer artist Miss Shanti from the rich cultural land of South.
Warm greetings and welcome to Man Mahila Ka. Ma'am, welcome, and we would please tell us more about you yourself. We know that you are a renowned artist, so please tell us about your successful journey.
Hi, hello. Hi, I am Shanti Saravanan. My Sansar Art Studio is my art studio name, and I am a managing director of Tarun Financial Services. This is my biodata like that. Yes.
That's so great to know about you. Ma'am, would you like to share upon any challenges that you faced over your life journey?
Of course, challenging makes the perfect. My mantra is challenging is very wonderful journey about ourselves stepping forward. Every stepping forward challenges will face it now. So challenging, I think so. In my struggle ways, always we struggle and we take the challenge in take a good positive vibes like that. Take a challenges in our proud itself. We taking the challenge like this. My
That's
success.
So nice. And moving ahead to the next question, what is your success mantra? So everyone has a success mantra for which they preach. And what was your comprehensive way to go to success?
Of course, in previous question, we taking the challenges itself now. Every struggle in challenges make it I am taking the moving forward like that. This is my success mantra. Every challenges we take it in, stepping forwards too.
Amazing. So what is the social message or social change that you want in the society?
Yes, every creative world, of course, entrepreneur, edupreneur, anything else, we make it to society. Society points is must. We helping in 50% of course, in society messages we pass it to our community with our friends, all together. Society makes me perfect. We are perfect like that. So this is I am always a child welfare like that. I want to help. Helping is child welfare is the I am taking good in like that. What you said means elaborate in myself. Helping tendency in child welfare education system or in my art society like that.
Okay. And often we hear that inspiration give a direction to your life. So what was your inspiration or some personality who inspires you the most? Would you like to elaborate on that?
My first Elon Musk, because he is a dual purpose. So I am also doing a dual purpose. So Elon Musk is my inspiration and Abdul Kalam. So I want to elaborate in you because I am one of the part is the creativity world and one of the entrepreneur. I will traveling in both of manner in upgrade. So that's why Elon Musk is my one of the best inspiration like that.
That's so nice, and we all pay tribute to Abdul Kalam sir and Elon Musk sir. Next question is that anything more you would like to tell about your brand, a pitch for your promotion, anything of that sort?
In my Sansar Art Studio, we child art like the promote like that we are doing. And Tarun Financial Service, my husband is the CEO and I am a managing director. My financial services like that, insurance is the one of the, we are supportive for all people. Like that, my clients are the, and my clients is the one of the favorite neighbor like that. So my husband is doing well, I am supporting for Tauru Financial Services like that. I am a managing director. We're proud of ICL.
Absolutely amazing. Last but not the least, any message you would like to give to the audience who will be watching you after this video is released? Any message?
Yeah. Humanity is not a major quality, is my basic quality. We anything else we enjoy the proud, and we taking the law. All people are the same. Like that, we are humanity is the basic and major quality is upgrade ourselves also. This is my humble request also. Once we are forward movement means humanity is taking the forward itself. Is a major thing, and so God blessings ourselves in any movement like that.
Till now, it has been amazingly wonderful to talk to you. And thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. Anything else you would like to tell on our platform, you are readily welcome. And thank you so much for being with us. Over to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wish you lots of power and success for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you.